YouTube, it's your boy, Trap Waves, man. Hey, I'm gonna do a little something different today, man. I'm doing a little story time. Uh, I'm gonna kind of like do like a little introduction of what I should have did. You know what I'm saying? When I started my YouTube channel, but hey, it's never late. You know what I'm saying? To do something, you dig? So I'm gonna do a little intro, you dig? I'm gonna start off when I actually joined Facebook page, you dig? So around 2016 September, I got back from Japan. I was over there, stationed over there for 2 years. Um, I say around January, February time frame, I believe. I joined Facebook pages, man. My first wave page was Naturally, you dig? Man, just like any other waiver, man, when they hit the Facebook pages, man, first time, really, you know what I'm saying, taking waving serious, you dig? I was posting up crazy, man, you know what I'm saying, trying to make a name for myself. Now, let me take it back, you know what I'm saying, like, when I first jumped on the pages, I wasn't Trap Waves, you dig? Like I think I actually had my real name up there, you know what I'm saying? So one day, man, like I really wasn't, you know what I'm saying, getting too many likes on my pictures, man, you know. I was just a little, you know, already, you know, thought I had dope ass waves, but I really had trash waves, you know what I'm saying? And I was a Rudy Poo, so, you know, I was, you know, thinking like, man, you know what I'm saying? I need to figure out, man, you know, how can I get my name out there? Like what waiver, you know what I'm saying, don't want their name, you know what I'm saying, to be, you know, ringing the bell, you dig? You know what I'm saying? So came up with the name Trap Waves, you dig? Now, I'm gonna do another, you know, video on that, on how I actually, you know, came about my name, you dig? But came up with the name Trap Waves, man. Next thing you know, man, I was, you know, blowing up, you dig? Like everybody was like, Trap Waves, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you know what I'm saying? Salute, you know what I'm saying? People made, you know, little songs, you know what I'm saying? And man, and the shit, you know what I'm saying? It was a good feeling, you dig? You know what I'm saying? But I was on my level of, you know what I'm saying, like, man, I want to get my name out there, you know what I'm saying, I want to, you know, be something, you know what I'm saying, in the wave game, you know what I'm saying, I'm taking it serious, you know what I'm saying. So I feel like, you know what I'm saying, I've been really waving for about a year, really taking it serious. I think it's been a year, you know what I'm saying, or almost close to a year. So I seen this cat, man, you know what I'm saying, on Natural Elite, man, posted up, man. Nigga was from Memphis, you feel me? So, you know what I'm saying, I think I commented in the in his picture or whatever. It was a video, actually. I commented on the video, and I was like, man, you know what I'm saying, you from Memphis, you know what I'm saying? Because I think I seen like his profile or something, he was from Memphis, you know what I'm saying? That I think that same night or the next night, dog, like we hit each other up, dog, in video chats, you know what I'm saying? And we actually got a washing style in, dog. I'm talking about like the first night I clicked up with the main, dog. I think it was like 5-hour washing style, you did. Man, I know most of y'all know him, you know what I'm saying? He go by the name of Boogie Man. But you know what I'm saying, his name Courtney Henley, man. So salute to the dude, man. He showed me, you know, plenty of love, dog. And actually, you know what I'm saying, like, maybe if I never probably met the dude, you know what I'm saying, I probably still be on Natural Elite, you know what I'm saying? Not throwing any shades, you dig, but like he, you know what I'm saying, kind of like told me, like, you know what I'm saying, like I only knew Natural Elite, you dig, you know, I was just only posting up on that. And I started finding out, you know what I'm saying, you got ES, you know what I'm saying, ES the best, you dig, you know what I'm saying, you got BC, you know what I'm saying, you got Waves Are Life, man, you got plenty of pages, you know what I'm saying, on Facebook, you know what I'm saying, and man, you know what I'm saying, that's when I really, when I hopped on them pages, man, you know what I'm saying, I really started posting up everywhere, man, you know what I'm saying. People started saying Trap Waves, you know what I'm saying. So, you know what I'm saying, I'm a ride to the wheels fall off, you dig. But yeah, man, I started, you know, posting up, man, and now, you know, I'm kind of like stepping back, you know what I'm saying, putting myself in the corner and brushing and trying to get knowledge, you dig, you know what I'm saying. Like, I feel like, you know what I'm saying, this up here, you know what I'm saying, and keep that brush moving, and hey, everything else will come, you know what I'm saying. Sometimes, you know what I'm saying, you want to jump out there and you want to be the best, but sometimes you gotta, you know, watch the best from a far distance, you know what I'm saying, and get yourself together, you know what I'm saying, to elevate what you're trying to do to become you know, a better, you know what I'm saying, present yourself better, you dig? You know what I'm saying? If I say that any better, you know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people will say, man, people going live so much on Facebook, people posting so many pictures, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you know what I'm saying? Give it time, man, so you can have that wow factor. So people gonna be like, damn, like he really been brushing, you dig? I mean, of course, man, people see your progress every day. That's cool and all. But you know what I'm saying? To me, you know, that's how I feel. You know what I'm saying? Hey, to each his own. Keep doing what you're doing, man. Keep that brush moving, you feel me? But yeah, man, so yeah, I hopped on all those pages, man. Started doing my thing, man. Then I clicked through with the WTBD squad. You did, man. And after that, man, it's just all love. You know what I'm saying? It's all love from the wave pages. You know, all love on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? You can go check out my Instagram page. You know, it's Trap Waves, ENT. You did. You know what I'm saying? I'm had a the actual page, you know what I'm saying, up there on the screen, you did, you know what I'm saying. Hey, if you want to, you know, go check it out, man. If you want to follow me, go follow me, you did. But for the most part, man, I'm just showing love to waivers, man, and saluting waivers and shouting them out, you dig. I ain't asking for nothing, you dig. It's just something I'm trying to do, you know what I'm saying, just to show love back to the wave game, you dig. Because, I mean, at the end of the day, man, I got love for the waves and I got love for brushing, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, squad shit you dig, you know what I'm saying? WTBD, you know what I'm saying? What that brush do, you know what I'm saying? I'm putting on for the team, you know what I'm saying? And we trying to make our dreams, you know what I'm saying, come true, you dig? So, hey, that's how it is. That's how we living. That's how we rocking, you know what I'm saying? Like a cut off stocking. If you don't understand what I'm saying, then you don't see my vision or our vision, you feel me? So, hey, anyway, like I was saying, so after that, man, we clicked tight, man, and after that, dog, I learned a lot, you know what I'm saying? Like, on Naturally, I was learning, you know, bits and pieces here and there, you know what I'm saying, by like clicking with people and asking people questions. But to be honest, man, when I hopped on ES and I got with the squad WTBD, you know what I'm saying, that's when I actually started learning, you know, man, how to manipulate my hair, man, how to, you know, actually brush my angles, you know, I learned a lot, man, you know, about oils, about butters, you know what I'm saying? What oils, you know, are carriers, man. It's so much, man, to learn, you know what I'm saying? And if you ain't hungry and want to, you know, actually reach the potential that other people see you, you know, as, you know what I'm saying? You would just be down here, you did. You want to be up here, you feel me? You want to get the knowledge, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I know a lot of wavers out there, you know, damn near 92%, I'm gonna say 92% of the wave was on pages and Instagram, you know what I'm saying? Just want to post up and be like, get them likes, you know what I'm saying, and get them views, you dig? But at the end of the day, man, you gotta sit back, man, and soak in the knowledge, you feel me? You know, learn from the elite wavers, man, the OGs of the wave gang, you dig? You know what I'm saying? Get on YouTube and look up Kane videos, man, Soul Seeker videos, man. There's so many videos out there, man, that is recycled, but at the same time, man, they was giving you the game, you dig? I mean, half of y'all asking questions, and people got videos, man. They had the form, you feel me? They answer the questions, like I understand this new generation, man. They want to just, you know, quickly Google shit, but man, the best way to learn something, man, is to learn it on your own and just take that path of making a mistake and then realizing you made that mistake and learning from it, you dig? And just keep moving, keep pushing, you know what I'm saying? Hey, ain't nothing, you know what I'm saying, easy, you know what I'm saying? You go through a storm and you look back and you made it through that storm, and you see all them other cars that stopped in the storm, they stuck in the storm. And you look back, you gotta thank God you made it through the storm, you dig? And it's the same way, man. You gotta keep on brushing, man. Like, I hear people like, man, I want to scout, but ain't even been. No, I'm the same way. You know what I'm saying? I was like, I ain't had my pattern for like really a year. You know what I'm saying? Because my crown wasn't like this. You know what I'm saying? My hair wasn't as healthy because, you know, I went all naturally, did. But like, I hear people, man, I want to scout. Like, man, continue brushing. You know what I'm saying? Because when you brushing, your hair is moving. You don't see it, but you know what I'm saying? Other people see it. You know, if you don't take pictures or do videos, you know what I'm saying, or actually how you brushing, you will never see your progress. And I'm a firm believer that you did, because, I mean, people was telling me I was moving forks, and I was like, what? Like, I still see forks, you know what I'm saying? But if I go back to my pictures, man, I see like hella forks back here, but now they down here, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? Like right here, and down here. Like my forks ain't, I mean, I got forks in my crown and shit, but I mean, at the end of the day, man, I'm continue moving that brush. I'm gonna stay consistent. I'm gonna stay motivated, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna motivate you, you know what I'm saying, to motivate me, and we gonna keep weighing me, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, that's my little spiel you did, you know what I'm saying? But back to the topic. I got off topic a little bit. So, I mean, of course, man, I was in Japan, man, watching YouTube videos. I was watching 360 Jeezy. My boy, man, WTBD, Hurricane Henry, you did. Man, I was watching Sir Cruz, watching a couple other videos, man, on YouTube. And to be honest, man, like, this go all the way back to like 2012, I believe, 2011, 2012. Like, I was like on YouTube and seeing people do videos, but I mean, I was in the Navy. Well, I'm in the Navy still, but I was overseas or some other country, you dig? So I mean, I couldn't like focus on like making YouTube videos. But now, like, I'm stationed in one spot, you know what I'm saying? So I felt like, hey, it's something I wanted to do, so I could bring something to the table, you know? So, hey, if you rocking with me, hey, rock with me. You know what I'm saying? Hey, hit that subscribe button. Man, like, comment, tell me what you want to see me do more videos on, man. Hey, I'm all ears, you dig? So, hey, like I said, man, it's your boy Trap Waves, man. Hey, I'm about to stay consistent, man, and give y'all that raw video, you dig? You know what I'm saying? And we about to take off. And maybe one day, you know, I won't have 95 subscribers and I can have 95,000 or something, you know, or something. I don't know, man. I'd be happy if I get 5 subscribers off this video, you know what I'm saying? If I can get 2 or 3 subscribers off this video, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, while I'm talking about subscribing, man, I'm gonna give you time to go subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Hit that notification, gang, you dig? You know what I'm saying? So we can, you know what I'm saying? Hey, all get wavy together, you dig? You know what I'm saying? I ain't elite, you know what I'm saying? Maybe you look at me as being elite, but I'm not, you know what I'm saying? I'm still a newbie, you dig? I'm a newbie to YouTube, a newbie to the Facebook pages, you know what I'm saying? A newbie to actually, you know, taking waving serious. So, hey, we gonna get waves together, you know what I'm saying? We gonna go flawless together, you dig? You know what I'm saying? Because, believe it or not, I'm gonna get there one day, you know what I'm saying? It might not be tomorrow, it might not be next month, it might not be next year, but it's gonna happen, you dig? And if you don't speak things into existence, and I'm gonna end off like this, man. If you don't speak things into existence, man, that'll never happen, man. You say you're gonna be broke next year, you probably gonna be broke because you spoken into existence, you dig? So, hey, that's my my spiel, you know what I'm saying, and my motivation, man. So, hey, like I said, man, subscribe to my channel, you know what I'm saying? Show your boy Trap Wave love, and I'm out, man.